Hi, my name's Gordy Flam. I'm one of the development managers here at Veritas in Roseville. We're about to enter the Intern Showcase for 2017. This is a group of interns that we've had in Roseville. We've got a bigger group out in Mountain View, but we've got a great showcase for you today. We're going to walk through, get to meet most of the interns, and get to see the projects that they're working on. And you can see the summary and the culmination of their 10 weeks here for their internship. So thanks. Let's go in and talk with the interns.
Hi everyone, this is Summer Intern Group 2017 from Veritas in Roseville. We had a great time this summer. We built some cool apps.
Hi, I'm Cal Aldred.
Hi, I'm Jun Shi.
And we're both from the University of Michigan. This summer we were tasked with evaluating different ways to visualize the data that we have in the database here relating to build times and test times and the queues to get those jobs started.
Yeah, I'm evaluating this open source solution called Superset. So basically, for Superset, it's kind of similar. You can do something like simple tasks, you visualize the data. But the advantages is like first it's free, and also it's very flexible if you want to add like more features or more functionalities on it.
And I've been evaluating Tableau, which is a paid tool that is really super flexible and powerful in terms of providing both self-service analytics and allowing experts to really dig deep into the data and get great insights.
All right, thank you. Go Blue.
Go Blue.
Hi, I'm Pei-Chen Xie, and I'm from University of Michigan. I'm currently a master's student in ECE. And the project I've done in Veritas for this summer is WebSocket for real-time job updates. And the final goal for this project is to add a function to the NetBackup activity monitor pages that will send users some notification for like job changes in real time through WebSocket. Yeah, thank you.
Hi, we are Team 1000 Weeks from Roseville. I'm Shubhadeep.
I'm Wyatt.
I'm Pat.
I'm Yao Bing.
And Janice.
Our project this summer is a backup recovery solution for containers.
It solves application discovery using orchestrator metadata.
It's platform agnostic. It's workload independent. It is agentless.
It's time for containers.
Thank you.
Okay, hi, I'm Lito. I'm from Carnegie Mellon, and right now I'm a master's student in computer science. And the project I did in my internship is Web UI Preference API. My project is to store the user preference of the Web UI website page into the database, and so the next time user log back in, their preference will be persisted. So thank you.
Hi, I'm Lee Wilds from the University of Central Florida. I'm a computer science undergrad. I work out of the Heathrow office, and my project was for the product security group. I made a TLS and SSL validation tool that teams can run against their server and see if their security standards are up to date. And if they're not, it gives recommendations and ways to fix the server.
Good morning, I'm Sheena Agarwal. I'm a master's student at Carnegie Mellon, and I'm a summer intern in the lectures team of NetBackup. My summer work over here was divided into 3 phases. So I worked on Cloud Catalyst, disaster recovery, and proof of concept theory. My basic work was duplication of the NetBackup data to the cloud, and we extended our services to the public cloud services like AWS and Azure. It was a great experience working at Veritas, and I learned a lot about agile environment, collaboration, cooperation, and software development. It was great. Thank you.
I'm Michael. I'm a student at the University of Minnesota, and this summer I've been working on basically analyzing data from telemetry and trying to use it to create benchmarks for NetBackup job performance, and in the long run try to adjust configuration parameters to ideal settings.
Hi, I'm Tiffany Leverins. I am a user experience research intern here this summer at the Roseville Veritas office, and I've been lucky enough to work on multiple projects. So the main one that I focused on was Pulsar, because we have version 1 release slated for October of this year. But I was also able to do multiple other projects, as you can see here.
Hey, my name is Donart and I go to St. Olaf.
I'm Kevin. I go to UC Berkeley.
Hi, I am Sadashiv and I go to University of South Florida.
Hi, I'm Jimmy. I go to University of Minnesota.
And we are the intern pod, not Symantec. And this summer we worked on a tool called Alfred, which is a tool that can help engineers debug their problems faster. And it utilizes Elasticsearch, and it's really fast, and I think we were able to add a lot of value to Veritas this summer.
What did you learn this summer?
Well, I learned how to work on a Scrum team better and how to do Agile better. I'd never done it before, but also learned how to do a little bit of web development, work with Elasticsearch, and try to solve a problem that our company has.
Same thing. I think I learned how to work in an agile environment. I think it made things go a lot faster, and I think we learned a lot of different things. We learned a bit of back end, a little bit of front end web development. Yeah.
So with learning all these things that other people said, I was a lead intern too. So I learned how to manage different people. So it was a fun experience for me.
In addition to what they say, except the lead intern part, I also learned how to learn stuff quickly to make use of them as soon as possible so that we can put them in use to create value to the company, and also how to work in a real business environment, which I think is very valuable.
Hi, I'm Ishmita. I was a Scrum Master intern this summer, and I got to work with the Embed Intern Pod. And it was interesting working as a Scrum Master because part of the time I not only got to help like Scrum Master for the Intern Pod, I also got to sit on other Scrum team stand-ups and see really how they operated. And so I learned a lot about the whole Agile process here.
What school are you from?
I'm going to be a freshman at the University of Minnesota.
Hi, my name is Arvind Kumar. I go to UCLA, and what I've been working on is integrating Oracle's data pump into NetBackup. And what Oracle's data pump is a new way of moving data in and out of their databases and between different versions of their databases and to the cloud. So integrating that into NetBackup has been an important feature that we can use to either surpass or catch up to NetBackup's competitors and make it easier for customers to move their data around.
Okay. Hey, my name is Kiran and I'm one of the engineering managers here at Veritas in Roseville. I was a manager of one of the intern innovation pod teams, and it was pretty cool experience working with a full team of interns, working on a dedicated problem statement and making sure that it sees the day of the light of the day, and it was pretty fun all along the way. Like just today morning we had a hardware crash and we were all scrambling and finding out what to do for this demo. So these interns learned a lot in terms of the technologies, in terms of Veritas, and in terms of in general how to work in the IT software industry. I hope they take these learnings back to their school and hope to join us back in Veritas next year. Thank you.
Hi, so we are Team Enigma, so we kind of, over the course of last 3 months, we worked on a cool product which is a data analytics platform data prediction platform for NetBackup based on telemetry data. So what we built could be in future be a go-to platform for any information related to NetBackup for product managers, dev managers, release managers to take any business decisions. So we provide lots of insights for the past information, past performance of NetBackup, as well as future prediction on certain parameters. Like for example, we can predict what could be the version adoption by customers for 8.1 release from the day of release. So there are many such features. Thank you.
I'm Jonathan Chunt.
I'm Ben Jacobs.
And this is Veritas Summer 2017 Intern Showcase. This summer we worked on a Hyper-V wizard to get some options that were in that backup into the wizard, and also created a backend for it. This summer we learned a lot about a Corba API, C++, and Java code, and how to code at a corporate level.
What was your favorite part of the internship?
Oh gosh.
Probably just all networking. Networking just meaning like all the other developers and just how you could ask for help and like 20 people are there just there to help you.
And mine was just learning about all this stuff that we wouldn't learn in school, like APIs to call different codes, how corporate level code works, how massive of a scale it is. And that was fun to work on, and it was a good experience.
You got 30 seconds to talk to the CEO. What would you tell
Just
him?
him or the whole team?
Just him.
Just him. I would tell Bill Coleman to put resources in new and innovative stuff, get a team and help us solve the problems of the future. For example, finding what that 15% of useful data is.
Maybe have